Hi, I'm LPS Colorburst.
And I'm LPS Pancakes.
Enjoy our skit.
I'm LPS Pancakes' new mascot.
And I'm LPS Colorburst's new mascot.
And we're going to be making LPS cat cookies.
And LPS dog cake.
Oops!
Here, I'll help.
And then this is like...
Now we are going to make our food.
Now she's adding the flour. I'm going to go put mine in the oven.
Hopefully our food will be ready after this commercial break. If you think you're ugly or unpopular, why don't you try our new Sharpay? We'll show you what we look like after. Let's go! Look at these fantastic results. Ding! Now time to bring it to our friends and family. Let's go.
Okay.
Grandma, I got you a dog bone cake. Oh, it looks fabulous. Too bad I'm poor, but that's why you're giving me food. It's great.
Grandpa, I brought you some cookies.
Oh, get off of my corner. Thanks for watching our video. I think that's my grandma.